Imagine a world where your floors are always spotless without you lifting a finger. Meet the Eufy Omni S1 Pro, the revolutionary robot vacuum and mop that's transforming home cleaning. Before we dive into its groundbreaking features, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. The EUFI Omni S1 Pro isn't just another cleaning gadget, it's a game changer. Its 10-in-1 UniClean station stands out with a sleek, tall design, breaking away from the bulky bases we're used to. This station doesn't just charge, it empties the vacuum's debris bin, washes the mop, and dries it with hot air. Plus, its LCD touchscreen offers intuitive controls, and the EcoClean ozone system ionizes water for enhanced cleaning. When it comes to performance, the Omni S1 Pro excels. Its mopping system applies a kilogram of downward pressure, effectively tackling tough stains like dried coffee and grape juice. Unlike many competitors, it manages large wet spills without leaving streaks, thanks to its unique design that processes and stores dirty water separately. Vacuuming is equally impressive. On bare floors, it delivers outstanding results, efficiently picking up debris. Its hazard recognition system ensures smooth navigation around obstacles, and the mop lift function prevents carpets from getting wet during combined cleaning sessions. However, it's essential to note that while the Omni S1 Pro shines on hard floors, its performance on carpets is moderate. It may struggle with pet hair and finer debris on these surfaces. Additionally, the device requires regular maintenance, and replacement parts can be costly. In summary, the EUFI Omni S1 Pro offers innovative features and superior mopping capabilities, making it a top choice for homes with hard flooring. If you're looking to elevate your cleaning routine, this device is worth considering. For more insights and reviews, check out the related video linked here. Thanks for watching.